Log 25th November, Finland. So I'm building this online course, a free course for small businesses how to run Facebook ads. Because in Finland, there's about 2,000 new companies formed each month, approximately. And many of them obviously don't know how to advertise on Facebook or in social media. So I'm creating this free channel where they have some step-by-step tutorials how to do their own ads. So I'm launching this next week. So I have a long list of stuff to do. Only crossed the first few lines, so I'll be busy. Today I was editing the intro video. The first ad is ready. I'm going to run it tomorrow and use it as the actual case study for the course, and start creating more videos tomorrow based on that. Other things, I created a logo today for this website listing small businesses for free. I watched YouTube videos and didn't go out the whole day. But even YouTube videos have value, because if you choose the right ones, they have some gold nuggets, if I may. When people are interviewing entrepreneurs, marketers, copywriters, so you can find loads of valuable information when you watch the right sort of YouTube videos. It's a treasure trove. Now it's midnight. I was writing a long introduction, like not related to the course, but about my life, what I'm doing now, this project of building my own brand. But my secondary laptop that I got from my mother froze up after doing like 6 slides. So I don't know if I'm able to save it. Now the battery is running out. Okay, the cord was loose, the power cord. So, there's nothing new to this kind of lifestyle. For the last 2 years, I've been having my own timetable, because I was working as a content writer, freelancing, traveling around the world, and this is just an extension of that. And now I'm actually like really building my own business, and I'm very accustomed to like being up the whole night doing my stuff. Like when I have the inspiration, when I have the energy, when I want to get more done, that's when I'm going to do it. So especially now in end of November in Finland, it doesn't really matter which time you're awake, because it's going to be pretty dark outside anyway. So I'll probably keep learning. I think I will try to get better understanding of some things about Facebook advertising I'm not sure about yet, so I will feel more confident to teach it myself. And that will probably be it. So see you next time.